No, but seriously, I don't know.
First experience with a black knob.
So here we have, this is straight from Japan. This is an authentic JDM Type R EK9 shift knob, okay? 5-speed with reverse. Is it already scraped up? Did you do this?
I'm so sorry.
Here's what I had before, pretty sick, but this authentic JDM straight from Japan Type R shift knob is gonna be way better. So this is how you install a shift knob. It gets to the end and it gets kind of tight before you think it should be ready, but looking freaking good. I'll probably have to update the actual shaft because it's silver and I don't like silver. Did I tell you it's actually just from Amazon?